Consumers in a freshwater or pond ecosystem are organisms that eat producers of food. Consumers are part of the food chain that also has producers and decomposers. In our human ecosystem, people are consumers of producers and other smaller consumers. In a pond ecosystem, there are many kinds of consumers. Let's take a look at them. There are 4 types of consumers. The first type is called the primary consumer. This is a first-level consumer in an ecosystem. Some examples of primary consumers are tiny microscopic organisms that live in the water, mollusks and beetles. They only eat plants. The second type of consumer in a pond ecosystem is called a secondary consumer. They mostly eat the smaller primary consumers. Some secondary consumers are large insects, frogs and fish. They eat the microscopic organisms and very small animals such as the mollusks and beetles I mentioned earlier. The level of consumers in a pond ecosystem are called tertiary consumers. They are omnivores, which meaning they eat everything, both plants and animals. Tertiary consumers include large fish, frogs and birds. They eat the smaller secondary level of consumers in a pond ecosystem are called top consumers. They are carnivores because they eat the meat of other animals. Some of the top consumers are snakes, snapping turtles and large birds such as herons. Now you know about one part of the food chain. The consumers. There are consumers in every type of ecosystem. There are consumers in rainforest ecosystems, in Arctic ecosystems and in desert ecosystems. Each part of the food chain plays an important part of our Earth's environment.